issued a tornado warning for southeastern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin until 3:45 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 3:08 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Whatcom, moving northeast at 35 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Janesville, Beloit, South Beloit, Clinton, Newark, Tiffany, Fuggs Hollow, Afton, and Show Pier. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A severe thunderstorm